Hey, what up you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today's video should be pretty short. I might be trading my wheels today, so if that happens, I'm gonna do a vlog for that. Meanwhile, I need content, and so I've been cleaning up the curb rash off my wheels. I got them like that. Photo you guys see in the thumbnail, that's the really bad way. That was like the worst rim that I have, and it came out pretty good. So we're gonna go out there, we're gonna pick a wheel, and we can jack up the car, take it off, you know, all that good jazz. Yo, recently I painted my brake caliper and my rotor. I mean, it looks better than it did before, honestly, but yeah. So the part we're gonna focus on for this portion of the video is, actually no, let's go for this part. We're gonna focus on this. First thing we're gonna do is mask it off, set up the tripod, and yeah. This is what happens when you buy cheap tape. This is some Harbor Freight tape, but yeah, man, it sucks. But what I'm gonna do is I'm starting off with 220. So that's what we're gonna start out with, and we're just gonna pretty much just knock this all down. So here it is. I don't know. So see, it's pretty much gone. There's just these little. There you go. So there's just these little marks. So honestly, so yeah, once you get it to like where you think it's good, so there's like pretty much no curb rash. For me, this is good. But you guys want to keep sanding with 220 until you get completely all of that off, then keep doing that. But for me, this is good enough for me. It looks way better than it did before. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grab 500 grit, do the same thing. Back to that time lapse over there. Also, so I'm filming the time lapse with my iPhone, so the quality might be weird because the quality on this is higher than that. But I can't film with this for too long because otherwise it's gonna start to overheat. So if it came out funky, I'm sorry guys. I'm trying out here. But yeah, back to the time lapse. Here we are. This is the area we were working on. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, all that's left is this little nick. But we didn't get all the way out to here. We just worked on this little area right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little big reveal, man. That one, grab a rag. So clean up on over here. And boom, look at that. Ooh, that shit clean. Look at that. Yo, what's up you guys? Well, we're back, and that's gonna conclude the video. Don't ever say your boy did not hook you guys up, man. But yeah, man, that's how you do it. If you want to get so that works in a little tiny area, but if you want to have like curb rash all around, yo, you're just gonna have to do that all around it. So yeah, man, I was trying to make this video really quick because I'm pretty sure that there are tons of videos covering this, so I wanted this video to be a little different. I don't want to take up too much of you guys' time. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe button because we're almost at 300. I'm gonna throw myself a little party once I hit 300. I feel like I deserved it. But yeah, man, it has been your boy Rio. Until the next video, peace. Bitch, I wanna party like